Hi guys, and welcome to Technet. Whether you're seeing this now or in the future, we're the Media Techs, your go-to tech support team here in the Media and Film department.
We're here to help media and film students like you with everything tech related. Software, equipment and any technical challenges you might face. We also handle the studio bookings and run workshops to help you learn the skills you need to succeed in your coursework.
We have 3 fantastic studio spaces. Our largest, Studio 1, is perfect for big shoots with multiple cameras and elaborate sets. Studio 2 is ideal for photography and smaller film productions, and Studio 3 is our sound studio, the ideal space for recording voiceovers, Foley and ADR.
It's super important you follow our department rules. These rules are designed to help you keep safe and ensure that our equipment and studios are treated with respect. You'll find a complete list of the rules in the description below. This includes important information like collection and return times for equipment and what you need to do before using our equipment or studios. Reading these rules carefully is crucial. Failing to follow them could result in having to pay any damaged equipment or studio or kit bans.
On our website, you can easily book equipment and studio spaces. Find all the info you need on equipment, software and pre-production, download essential forms like permission slips and risk assessments, and learn how to apply for F6 Productions team next year. We're constantly adding new content to the website, so keep an eye out.
And don't forget to follow us on social media. Our YouTube channel has tons of helpful tutorials for students. Our Instagram will keep you updated on all the latest happenings in the department, including exciting extracurricular events.
Links to everything can be found in the description below. See you later!